Welcome to Clear English Daily. Today, you will listen to an airport conversation. The English is slow and clear, perfect for A1 and A2 learners. Listen carefully. Repeat if you can. Let's begin.
Anna is at the airport. She is flying to London today. She goes to the check-in desk. Tom is the check-in staff. He smiles and greets him.
Good morning. Where are you flying to today?
Good morning. I am flying to London.
Can I see your passport and booking reference, please?
Of course, here is my passport, and here is my booking confirmation on my phone.
Thank you. Let me check that for you. Anna Walker. Yes, I have your booking here. You are on flight BA247 to London Heathrow, departing at 11:15.
That's correct.
Do you have any bags to check in today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale here.
Sure, here you go.
That is 22 kilograms. Perfect. Well within the limit. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Of course. I have put you in seat 23A. That is a window seat with a nice view.
That sounds great. Thank you.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is number 14. Boarding begins at 10:30. Please be at the gate at least 15 minutes before boarding.
Thank you. Where is gate 14?
Go through security, then turn left. Follow the signs for gates 10 to 20. Gate 14 is at the end of the corridor.
Got it. And is there a cafe near the gate?
Yes, there is a small cafe just before gate 14. It opens at 7 in the morning.
Perfect. One more question. Is my flight on time?
Yes, your flight is on time. No delays at the moment.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful flight, Ms. Walker. Enjoy London.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Anna picks up his boarding pass. She walks toward security. She is excited. London is waiting.
Now let's review the most important phrases from today. Listen and repeat. I am flying to London.
Can I see your passport, please? Do you have any bags to check in? Please place it on the scale. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat? Here is your boarding pass. Boarding begins at 10:30. Please be at the gate 15 minutes before boarding.
Is my flight on time?
Have a wonderful flight. Excellent work today. You practiced real airport English. These phrases will help you on your next trip. Remember, English is easier when you practice every day.
Watch this video again for more practice. New videos every week on Clear English Daily. See you next time.